Hello, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to use FoodTaxPros to generate a sales tax work paper for a restaurant with multiple delivery channels. First, let's add a new location. Click Add Store. The next step is to add the specific delivery channels for this location. For this particular example, the local restaurant actively uses both DoorDash and GrubHub delivery services. Once these channels are connected, they will remain saved for future use, so this is just a one-time setup. Now let's go to the bulk file upload section. We will process the data for June 2025. Select the June 2025 PDF statements for both DoorDash and GrubHub. Click Analyze Files. Once the system finishes analyzing the data, click Start Upload. When the upload is complete, navigate back to the Worksheet module. Select June to view the month we are currently working on. You will see that the revenue figures for DoorDash and GrubHub have automatically populated from the statements. For complete verification, if you truly want to verify the absolute accuracy, you can meticulously compare it against the original source document. For example, when carefully looking at the detailed GrubHub statement, the grand total amount matches exactly and precisely with the corresponding figure presented in the comprehensive worksheet. For in-store sales, the restaurant will typically provide the CPA with cash and credit card totals from their POS system. We will manually input those client-provided numbers here. Once all the necessary numbers are accurately keyed into the system, simply click the Save Worksheet button and then the Export Excel option. Let's open the specific Excel file to begin working with that contains our data. Here, you can clearly see the comprehensive total sales figures for the entire retail store, specifically for the month of June in the year 2025, which amounts to a substantial $38,000. It also meticulously calculates the exact tax amount owed to the government, which is precisely $2,300. This streamlined and efficient workflow allows professional CPA firms to significantly simplify and expedite the entire sales tax preparation process, making it much more manageable and less time-consuming.